Hello everyone, our names are Sheridan,
Olivia,
Sarah,
Anna Maria,
and Cameron.
Today, you will learn about how eating different colors of the rainbow will help you grow healthy and strong. Different colors of fruits and vegetables will give you different powers. Superfoods will give you superpowers. You have to eat as many colors as you can each day to ensure that you gain those powers.
can anyone name their favorite fruit or vegetable? All of those sound super yummy. Well, fruits and vegetables have things called nutrients. Can everyone say nutrients? Nutrients are the powers that food provides to help the body grow and be healthy. Some of these nutrients are carbohydrates that make you go fast, proteins that make you strong, and fats that give vitamins and minerals a piggyback ride into the body.
After being carried into the body, vitamins and minerals are important to protect against sickness. You can't be the best superhero if you are sick. Fresh, frozen, canned, and dried are all delicious ways to eat your fruits and veggies.
if you want to know the different powers fruits and vegetables can give you, you just have to look at the color. Can we name the different colors of fruits and vegetables? Good job. All of those will make you an amazing superhero.
We are going to tell you the different powers that they give you, so listen close if you want to gain these powers when you eat your vegetables. Red gives you protection. Red fruits and vegetables will protect your heart like a shield.
Orange and yellow fruits and vegetables give you supervision, while green helps heal your body.
If you want the power of invincibility, make sure to eat blue or purple fruits and vegetables like blueberries and eggplant. Which one of these powers do you want? Well, then you have to be sure to eat the fruits and vegetables of that color.
Now we are going to make a food that will give you everything you need to be protected like a shield, a very important superpower for a superhero.
We're going to be making a superhero smoothie bowl that is full of red and yellow fruits and vegetables. It's going to include beets, bananas, strawberries, honey, and almond milk.
The smoothie bowl is made with half the ingredients at a time so that it will blend easily.
The first step of the superhero smoothie bowl is to add in 1 cup of frozen strawberries. Can anyone name what red fruits and vegetables give the superpower? Protection, that's right.
Next, we're going to add a small peeled and cut beet that has already been put in the microwave for 45 seconds to our blender.
Next we are going to add 1 frozen chopped banana. Does everyone remember what superpowers orange and yellow fruits and veggies give you? Supervision.
Next, we're going to add 1.5 cups of almond milk, and 2 teaspoons of honey.
We will now blend until smooth. Watch closely to see how the color changes. Wow.
Since it is now blended, we will add in the rest of the ingredients. We will add the remaining 1 cup of strawberries, 1 frozen chopped banana.
Perfect. So in order to go out and save the day, you need to eat a well-balanced meal that includes these super fruits and vegetables. These will support your body through your super days. Eating different colors of fruits and vegetables will give you the power to be an amazing superhero.
And now we'll top it with all of our toppings.
We're going to start off with almond slices,
some coconut,
Some chocolate chips.
And last but not least, some granola. And now we have our finished superhero smoothie bowl.